Alright, it's another day in Bend. Alright, let's go check out the Old Mill District. It's a rush hour here for Bend. This is just how it is. It's nothing compared to a big city. Ooh, Mischief. Love that. Them dogs. Look at them dogs. Alright, we're almost there. Almost there. Cool. Over to the right is River Bend. Just that park. Alright, we're about to turn into the mall now. The outdoor mall. There's Regal Cinemas. Got pretty much everything down here. Movie theater. Got your Ben and Jerry's. That shit's fire. American Eagle. Behind is Anthony's. That's where you have the amphitheater. kitchenware. If you like to be in the kitchen cooking stuff. The river right there at the chutes. Ladybird, I haven't tried that place out. Been a Postini Cafe. How's this person doing? Come on. Huh. There's kind of quite a bit of people out for a random Tuesday. Bend is a very dog-friendly town. Go to Riverbend Park, see what's happening here. It's very rocky. You know what I'm saying? Andy. So you just like come down here, you know? Down there is where you go, you know, right here to your right. It's where you go in the winter or in the summer, actually, and go rafting down here. That's what I'm talking about. There's a river right here. Everybody goes rafting down it. Is that a cop? I'm out of here, boys. Peace.